Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my June Glossybox unboxing. I'm really excited to see what's in this. I've not seen any sneak peeks for this month other than the theme being something summery and the fact that we're getting something from Avant Skincare in there. So let's have a look what's inside. So there is in fact the theme. It is Summer Soiree. Open to discover all the beauty treats you need to get ready for a special occasion. So intrigued as to what that means. I will put this to one side and come back to it to go over the prices once we've seen what everything is. Okay, looks half empty. The first thing on top here is this Hask coconut oil hair mask, and this is a nourishing deep conditioner. I don't think it was that long ago since we last received a hair mask from Hask. It's a bit of a mouthful. So a bit disappointed to have received another one so quickly. I suppose they've probably had a lot of feedback that people like them, but if I'm honest, I haven't even used the last one yet. So I might just put this to one side and potentially put it in a future giveaway, or I'll say I'm not too sure because it is too soon, I think, because it was in the last couple of months that we got another hair mask. But that's the first item. Then we have something from the brand Sleek, and this is a face form contouring and blush palette, and this is the one in the shade Fair. Again, this is kind of a repeat from recent because it was only last month that we got a contouring palette from Barry M. So if I'm honest, another slightly disappointing product. Just move this out of the way because it's taking focus away. I won't actually open that because you can see the shades on the front there. So you've got a contour, a blush, and I presume a highlighter. Matte and easy to blend contour, illuminating highlighter, and a shimmer blush. I'm not really a big fan of face palettes anymore. I don't think I've got any, or fairly limited numbers of face palettes in my collection because I just don't find myself reaching for them. So I'm not really a big fan of them. This is again another one that I'm potentially going to put to one side for a future giveaway because I just don't think I'm going to get good use out of it. So there's probably no point in opening it. I think it is actually my birthday in July, so I may do a kind of tie-in birthday giveaway and see what products I do have to one side. I don't think I have an awful lot, but I'll see if I've got enough to be able to do a birthday giveaway. And then here we have the Avant product, if it'll focus. So this is a Pro Collagen Primer. Right, okay, didn't realise it was a primer. Did think it would be a bigger bottle or tube because I think I remember saying it was full size, but this is only 30ml, which I suppose is one fluid ounce, so maybe full size for this product anyway. I think I'm just comparing it to the last one we had from them, which was probably 50 or 75ml. So this says Pro Collagen and then a lot of really complicated words. Age Restore, Pro Perfecting Primer Touche Eclat. So keen to give it a go. I'm really enjoying the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer at the moment, so it does have quite a lot to contend with. But it seems like it might be an okay product. I just don't know how much use I'm going to get out of it. And we have, this is Meech and Mia eyeshadow. Okay, I've not heard of this brand before, so I presume it is an eyeshadow pencil. It looks like it is a quite nice gold shade. Again, it's not something I'm going to get much use out of. I can't remember the last time I used an eyeshadow pencil. Probably going back about 10 years now since I actually properly used one, so I guess this one's going in the giveaway too. And then the final product is from Model Co, and this is a matte lip cream in the shade Peachy Nude. So this is kind of right up my alley because I'm a big fan of matte liquid lipsticks. I haven't had much luck with things that I've had from Model Co in the past, but let's have a look at the shade. That is a really nice shade. It is more peachy than I normally go for, but I'm willing to give this one a go because I do like liquid lipsticks, and there's got to be something out of this box that I can make use of because so far this is probably going to be the only one. So just to recap what products we got, and then I will go over the prices. So we've got the primer, the lip product, the hair mask, the contour palette, and then the eyeshadow pencil. So overall, it's probably quite a disappointing box for me because I'm not going to make much use out of this, but I suppose it's better for you guys because it means majority of it is going into a giveaway. So let's just go over the full size prices. I don't know how expensive Model Co is. I know Sleek is a reasonably sort of priced drugstore brand, but I suppose if this is an expensive product, that's what's brought the value up. But let's have a look. So here we have the primer from Avant, which says it is £85. That is just a ridiculous price for a primer. I don't think I'd ever spend that, even if I really, really liked it. I'm struggling to consider purchasing a full size at a Smashbox, and I think that's only £20, £30 maybe, but £85. Let's see, you loved Avant's night cream, so we've brought you a primer. Silky, lightweight, universal, mattifies and softens while reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, we'll give it a go. And then here is the hair mask. We could have got superfruit, coconut or macadamia. I suppose coconut probably be a good one for me out of all of them. So back by popular demand. Okay, so they must have had a demand for it, but it was not that long ago since we last got one. So I've not even made use of it. So I'll see if I'm going to use one of them, but most likely I'm not. Then we have the Model Co Lip Cream Matte Peachy Nude, created by an Australian brand, which I didn't know. This one retails for £15. Quite expensive, but I say if it's a good formula, then it's fine. But I say I've not had much luck with previous things I've tried from Model Co. Then we have the Sleek Makeup Face Form Contouring Palette. So it looks like we could have got fair or I presume medium there. So fair would be the right shade for me, but I just don't think I'm going to get use out of it. So I'll have a think, but that's probably going to go into a giveaway. This one retails for £9.99. And then finally, the eyeshadow chubby stick, which should be £12.99, and it does say that is full size, but that is quite a small product, but I suppose you might get quite a good use out of it. It does say the colour payoff is amazing. Use this alone to create a bold look, or blend it with loose pressed eyeshadow. I don't really know how you do that, but it says convenient size, can go in your bag on the go. So out of this, we do have, I think everything in here might be full size, because it says that is full size, which 30ml, that's full size. That is, and that is. It doesn't mention about this, but I would presume that is full size, unless it's just classed as like a mini palette or something. Oh no, here are full size. Missed it right there. So in the grand scheme of things, 5 full size products is really good, but when it's 5 products that you're not going to get much use out of it, it's a bit of a bust. For me, I'm probably only going to use these 2, but hopefully this isn't one that I fall in love with, because I am not going to pay £85 to repurchase it. And then these 3 are probably going to be good for someone, but not for me. So overall, a bit disappointed. Let's turn over to see what is in next month's box. And Moroccan oil, perfect. This is a product that I am currently using and is in my project pan. I've really been enjoying using it, and I haven't got an awful lot of it left, so much so I'm probably going to finish it in the next couple of months. And I was considering purchasing it again, but if it's the same size as the one I've got, 25ml I think it is, this is around about £13 to purchase, so this will save me £13. I was going to purchase it anyway, so if it is the same size, that is what I'm going to have paid for the box. Anything else in the box is just a bonus then, so that is great to see that that is in there. And it must have been one of these that I last got that one in, but really great hair product and makes my hair feel so soft, so I'm really excited about July's one. And obviously they knew my birthday month, they gave me a birthday treat. So that is it for all that is in this Glossybox. A bit of a dud box, but to be honest, since I've been resubscribed, this is probably the first majority dud box I've had, which isn't too bad going. If anyone had any variations to what I got, I'd be intrigued to know what other people got as well, and if they're generally pleased with the box. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.